ahead of the Independence Day celebration on August 15, the national flag has been dragged into a political slugfest. Days after Prime Minister launched the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign and urged the citizen to make Tiranga their profile pictures to make a campaign a success, Congress has given it a Nehru spin. Congress MP Manikam Tagore has changed his profile picture to Nehru holding the tricolour, and this politics over Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is not new. In 2022 as well, a similar battle of profile picture had broken out. To mark the 75th year of India's independence, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had replaced the profile picture with a photograph of the national flag as a part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Now, he had asked the people to do the same, but Congress leaders, however, responded by putting a picture of former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru along with the Tiranga. Now, what we're getting to know is that the BJP has taken a swipe at the Congress party, saying that it is because of the BJP that Congress has begun remembering Nehru. So this is the counter that has come from BJP as far as Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is concerned. Remember, Prime Minister had urged people to make this campaign a mass movement as he replaced his profile picture on X and also urged everyone to do so. But now what we're getting to know is that Congress's Manikam Tagore has in fact put an image of Nehru holding the flag on his X profile. Listen in.
Good enough. We are very happy. Congress is tweeting pictures with Nehru ji holding tricolour in hand. Congress is finally remembering Nehru. Because whenever BJP or any of its leaders, we recall Nehru ji, you guys get very angry, very irritated. Why always you take Nehru? Why always you take Nehru, Indira, Rajiv? At least now you are remembering Nehru. So you should be thankful to Modi ji and you should be thankful to BJP and people of this country that made you remember Nehru.
My colleague Niyamika joins us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, a political fight has erupted over Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Now, BJP is saying that Congress is refusing to put the photo of Tiranga on their X profile and has started remembering Nehru. Give us more details.
Well, yes, this kind of politics upon Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is not something new, as we have also seen that how the Congress party has been repeatedly attacking the BJP as well as upon RSS, as they have alleged many times before as well that the RSS as well as BJP had never respected Tiranga, and for that reason we have also seen that how when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi had urged upon the people of this country to change their profile picture and put up a Tiranga as their profile picture as the Independence Day is approaching. For that reason, we have seen that how the Congress party had attacked and mentioned about the history of RSS as well as the BJP, because even the Congress party General Secretary Jairam Ramesh had also made a tweet in which they have said that whether if we talk about the history of the RSS as well as the BJP, they have never respected the Tiranga. They have always supported Bhagwa. In fact, the other Congress leaders have also said that if this time in the general elections, if the BJP would have got 400 plus seats, they have started trying to change the constitution, and even they were also in support of having Bhagwa instead of Tiranga. So that was a clear-cut attack which the BJP was, which the Congress party was making upon the BJP and the RSS, and for that reason now we have seen that how the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP Manikam Tagore has also changed his profile picture, as he has also put up a Tiranga, but that picture is of the former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, showing that it was the Congress party only who had supported Tiranga, who had always respected Tiranga instead of BJP and RSS.
Thank you, Niyamika, for all the updates. Now, ahead of the